Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your Facebook photos or posts private. It's real fast and easy, and let me show how. So of course, first thing what you need to do here is to open Facebook app, and once you are on the basically main feed, then press on the menu on the bottom right corner, and then you should see similar window to this, and then press on your profile. And once you're here, then scroll down until you see, as you can see here, manage posts. Press on it, and then you will see all the posts that you posted on Facebook, right? And basically you can select all the posts, or you can select just the one that you want to make private. So for example, I will select this one, and then on the top right corner, as you can see here, there is a little icon here. Press on it, and as you can see here, privacy option appears. Press on only me, and press done. And that's how you can make your post private on Facebook. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.